Hey guys, back with another quick update video. It is after hours on Friday, May 8th. I just want to make this to update you on my positions. So luckily AMD closed above $52. So that means all four of my covered calls at the $52 strike price were called away. And I made a total profit this week of $368. Now, one thing that I'm kind of regretting is, well, what if I didn't sell any covered calls on it at all? And let's say I sold right before the market closed at, let's just say $53. Well, I missed out on some gains because I was in the 400 shares for an average price of $51.75. So that means I could have gotten $1.25 of profit just on stock appreciation if I just owned the shares outright and didn't sell covered calls on them. Because times 400 shares, I could have made $500 this week. But again, I'm just showing you this to let you know what the different possibilities are and how you can make money from stocks. I'm not regretting this because $386 on my collateral of $20,700 is a great day. I mean, that's a almost 1.9% return on my money just this week alone. Plus, I had a $49 strike price cash secured put on AMD that obviously expired worthless as well. I sold that for $22. So this week alone, I made $368 from my covered calls on AMD and an additional $22. So a total of $390 this week on my roughly $25,000 that were in play. So again, that's almost a 1.6% return on my money this week alone. I don't think I can keep this up every week because that's very high even in today's market, but that was some great gains. I had a great week. It was a little iffy because AMD was kind of flirting around the $52 strike price for a couple days this week, but it really rallied throughout the day today, and is actually even going up a little bit more after hours. So I'll have to get back to you this weekend to see what my possible plays are for next week. I don't know if I want to make more AMD plays. I've been looking at some of the other stocks on my watch list, and their premiums have gone down compared to the probability that the options will be out of the money and also the return on risk. So I'll have to see Monday what happens with the premium values to see what plays I want to make. Maybe I'll make more AMD plays. The nice thing is now, though, that when I initially bought my covered calls on Monday, AMD was trading, I believe, around the $56 strike or $56 valuation. And so now that AMD is at $53, I should be able to buy some cash secured puts again, sell some cash secured puts to run the wheel again. I completed one full turn of the wheel, but I might be able to get in at like the $49, $50 strikes so that if I do get assigned, I'm at a lower cost basis than I was this week. So we'll see what I want to do this weekend. Some people ask me for a summary of my plays so far and kind of my total profits and losses. So I might put together that this weekend and show you that tomorrow or Sunday. But yeah, overall it was a great week. Got some great returns. Let me know if you had any options in play this week and what your profits were. Let me know if you have any plays that you're thinking about for next week. Drop a comment below. Ask away if you have any questions. And as always, happy trading.